Hey first graders, so we are going to talk about addition in math, which we've already done, but we're going to start adding bigger numbers, okay? So in the past, we have always added problems that look like this. They go across like that. 4 plus 5 equals what? We know 4 plus 5 equals 9, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you another way that you can write 4 plus 5. So we can go across like that, or we can write it up and down like this. It means the same thing. And then instead of drawing an equal sign that looks like that, we just draw a line underneath it and we put the answer there. Okay, so we are going to move from problems that look like this to problems that look like this. Okay, so then we're going to get even harder. So our problems are still going to look like this, but we're going to get a little bit harder. Okay, so we're going to add numbers like 12 plus 5. Now looking at that, I'm going to guess that you're going to have to draw a picture, use your fingers, use counters, whatever it may be, to add 12 plus 5, okay? So I'm going to show you a trick that's going to help you with problems like these, okay? So look how nicely I have my numbers lined up, okay? So you are going to have your problem like that. And then I want you to take, I'm going to get a different color. You're going to take a pencil, pen, whatever you have at home, and draw a line like that. See where I have my pink line? Now what I did was I put all of the ones in this side. We know that those are our ones. And over here are my tens. Okay? So then I'm going to ignore my tens for right now, and I'm going to add my ones first. Always add your ones first. That's my biggest rule of this. Always, always, always add your ones first. Okay? So what is 2 plus 5? Think of that now. Okay, so we know 2 plus 5 is 7. We're going to write that down there. And then we're going to go to our tens, okay? So now we have 1 plus nothing. What is nothing? What number does that mean? It means 0, and I like to draw it with dots so that we know it's just nothing. Nothing's there. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So 12 plus 5 is 17. If I were to draw circles, okay, there's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count and make sure that I have 17 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you know that I did this correctly. Okay? All right, we're going to do another one. Let's have 24 plus 3. Okay, first thing you're going to do is draw your line. And we always, always, always add our ones first. We know these are our ones. These are our tens. We're always going to add our ones first, okay? So 4 plus 3, do that in your head. We know that it is 7. Okay, then we go over here to our tens. Oh, we have 2 plus nothing. We know our nothing is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. So our total to 24 plus 3 is 27. Okay? Let's do another one. let's do 20 plus 9. All right, so I wrote my problem down, getting my other marker so I can draw my line. Adding your ones first, you have 0 plus 9, which is 9. Then going to our tens, we have 2 plus an invisible number, so 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay? All right, let's do another one. I'm going to put this problem up there and I'm going to give you a few minutes to solve it before I write my stuff down. All right, let's do 23 plus 5. Okay, you do that one now. All right, I hope your first step was to get your other color, draw a line. We add our ones first, so 3 plus 5 is 8. Then we go over to our tens. We know that's an invisible number, it's a 0, so 2 plus 0 is 2. Our total is 28. All right, I'm going to kick it up a notch. 16 plus 12. You're going to do the same thing. Grab your other color, draw a line. Add your ones first. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 1, okay, this is the difference. We have two numbers to add there together. We don't have a 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Our total is 28. All right, let's do 35 plus 11. Go ahead and work on that one for just a minute. Okay, start with your other color, draw your line. 5 plus 1, because we add our ones first. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. If it helps you to get a little card like this to cover up one side, that is fine with me to practice this so that you know you're adding one side of that line. My main rule for this is you always, always, always add the ones first. You will see why when we move on farther with this. But that is my main rule, okay? So to go over this lesson, these are just addition problems that look like this, okay? So you're just adding that top number plus the bottom number, and you write your number down here under the line, okay? So when you first get that problem, you want to draw a line down the middle. If it helps you to write tens and ones, you can write tens and ones. That's up to you. And you always, 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 always add your ones first, just straight down. And then over here, straight down, you add your tens. If there's nothing there, you know that it is 0, okay? Some of them, though, like this, will have two numbers for you to add, okay? So just add those like normal. So this is your math lesson for today. You have a page that looks just like this that you are going to be doing with your parents today. Okay, so it looks like that. Just draw your lines down the middle. That's fine with me. And your answer goes below each of those lines. Okay? And I also want you to do I want to see what you know. You did this last week with your parents. Looking at this number and doing 10 less than that number and 10 more than that number. Okay. So this is what I want you to really work hard on today. If you don't understand part of it, you can watch this video again, or have your mom or dad, whoever's helping you, give me a shout and I will help you some more. Okay? All right. Have fun with your math today.